man. All right. Hello, Twitch. That happens to me in Streamlabs too. I'll randomly lose like audio connections and have to reset everything too. It's kind of crappy, but whatever. Yeah. The webcam. Yeah. Then yeah, that's I think that's webcams have like always been like that, as far as I know. You can only capture one place. Yeah. Yeah, you'd think that. Yeah. I sent you a pop link. I figured we can just do that. I am, yeah, it's nice. Get to solve a bunch of bugs and write features all day, which is fun. Yeah. No, I don't. They don't know about my personal life. Keep it that way. Ah. So yeah, here's the game. Like I figured I'd show you around a little bit before we dive into pair programming or whatever. Uh, so the concept of the game is it's. I guess I'll show you the level, like just a demo of it playing first. The idea is it's sort of like a top-down action arcade type game, very much like Pac-Man. Your goal is to shovel all these little snow piles, and you can see the score goes up as you do that. As you're shoveling the piles, you can make walls out of them essentially to block the enemies coming at you, like so. They can't reach you, and the piles will melt after a while. And that's the basic premise of the game. Yeah, I like it. So I'm working on adding the final mechanics. I have a lot of the mechanics ready there, like enemies will go to this bone if you touch the bone and they're like stuck there for a while so you can escape and a bunch of different levels. But yes, yep. I can show you a level with them. So at some point in the game you'll get a boomerang and also a bow that will shoot snow shovels for you to shovel the snow. So yeah, it's sort of got that way, and then I just added this blizzard effect and these lampposts that will protect you from the blizzard. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Thank you. Yeah, he's angry. He's throwing snowballs at you. Yeah, you can make a light occluder, and it will collide with particles if you just hit a flag. It's really cool, and you can make a polygon for it, so it's any shape you want, pretty much. Yeah, you can pick up these arrows, and then you can shoot them in the direction that you're aiming, and it will. Oh, and right now it'll if you charge up the shot, so it'll go farther as you hold it down, like so. Yeah. Excuse me. Thanks. Yeah, I need to turn that off. It's too noisy. Because right now, let's cut all that out. What I was thinking right now, excuse me, I was trying to do is make it so when the player's in that blizzard area, they'll lose heat slowly, and when they get to zero heat, they'll die or something. I'm not really sure how it's going to work yet, but that's what I was trying to do right now. Is this purple bar? There's like a texture progress bar that you can use. I don't know how to use it though. This pink thing I'm trying to decrease as you get colder, but it's not quite working. So that's where I was at. All right. Any questions? I'd like to. Yeah, I'd like to figure out that the texture progress bar, how it works. This is what Chat GPT gave me, and it doesn't seem to work. So I need to figure that out. Yep. Okay. I don't actually. I figured since it's the two of us, I can just use a timer on my phone, or we can use Mobster. I guess that's probably pretty easy. I've never actually used it myself. How do I find this? I wanted application like software. I remember, yeah. Hmm, this guy, right? Oh, is this a Mac OS only thing? I don't see a. Oh, this one. Okay, thanks. Oh shit! Awesome, dude. Is there still a requirement for like you need an average number of viewers, or is it just followers at this point? Yeah. I think to get to partner, you need like 75 viewers on average, or something like that. Okay. 5 minutes. Okay. Cool. So I guess I will start. Okay. So I'm thinking I should look for an example of the texture progress bar. I'm thinking ChatGPT might not have the most recent examples or something. What do you think? I can't. It doesn't seem to work at all. Uh, yeah. This is the HUD for the game. Yeah, you have the lives and the arrows and shit. Uh, yes, this is where the texture, the heat bar is, and the script attached to it. Hmm. These are members of the. Sure. Hmm. Hmm. I haven't really messed with this stuff. I couldn't really figure out this texture stuff either, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, so something's not connected properly. There's a value, yeah. Huh. Probably because it decreases by 10 every frame, looks like. Let's make this less, much less. Try it again. Excuse me. Okay, remote heat bar. Huh. I guess the game hasn't started yet, so that's probably what's happening. Huh, it's not. Oh, what? That's weird. Oh, here we go. Well, this is ah, okay. Yeah, so it's properly. These are the debug logs. I should silence them probably a little bit. Oh, yep. Bunch of pathfinding because I have a couple enemies out of bounds right now. It says it's decreasing, but the texture isn't changing at all. I'm not. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. I don't know what these mean really either. Like nothing changes. Yeah. Your turn. Man, I don't know. I feel like I'm missing a piece of this. How this even works? Like I maybe. Yeah. Hmm. There's textures involved, and I'm not sure what. I just want like a color, that fills it up, and I thought I had that, but I'm missing something. Oh, like just a progress bar object. Yeah, see if that's available. Oh yeah, just progress bar. Maybe that'll be easier to work with. Oh, it's just a number? Oh. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's much more what I wanted anyway, yeah. Yeah, you could just remove that, I think. Yeah, and you can rename it. Yeah, yep, thanks. Yeah. Alright, let's give it a try. Sure. Let's put it up right under the score. It doesn't really matter at the moment, but to the bottom. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I need to use controls more in this. I haven't used any yet. I just started to try to use it. Yeah. Cool. Right, it should start at 100. Nope. Or now you're always in the blizzard. So it should increase. We have to start the game first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. No, you use the directional keys to move, and you can dash by holding the space bar down. WSD. Huh. Weird. Yeah, I have control of it. Try it again. It's so strange. Like loses the inputs or something. Yeah, you'd think so. I think we can go a little faster now with this. Maybe. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't be driving. I just sort of took over there. Figured we just try that a little higher value, see how that feels. Sure. Oops. See, I wanted the player to be, like they don't want to be out in this blizzard very long. So I need to tweak probably uh, the values, and I also need to implement these safe areas. So I guess we could try that next. It's like, yeah, you'll regain your heat essentially when you're in the safe area, and then you can go back out into the snow and finish the level, hopefully. Yeah, I want to do that actually. I don't know how easy that would be. We could might be down for that. Yeah, cool. I've not really used shaders at all, so I could use some knowledge on this. That's the best way for me to learn. Yeah. Huh. Is it search bar? Oh, right there. Ice. Good. Yeah. 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 I like this. Let's. Oh, you can just copy paste it. That's sick. Hmm. Like it. Yeah. Well, let's try it out. I guess. No. All right. So let's new scene, 2D scene. This will be a canvas item. Thank you. Oh, I can't pick canvas item though. I have to do control. Yeah. Okay. Put a script on here. We'll call it ice effect. The heck? Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay. I do not have one, so let's make that first. How do I create a folder here? There we go. Materials. Yeah. We'll say ice. X Judy Sayer, I guess. Okay. Oh, that's handy. Huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Random noise textures. Oh, new noise texture. Okay. Oh, huh. Looks like that's about that. That's about it, though. Mm. Okay. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah. A cold one. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Gooch. Gooch shader. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Inspired by Acerola. Hmm. All right. Uh, how do we start even like applying this effect? Hmm. Yeah. Like how to use it would be nice. Hmm. Maybe upping the coverage and stuff. Maybe that will affect it. Eh, okay. It's still nothing on the screen. Hmm. Is it because Control 2D is not the right node or something? Do we need a canvas item? I thought this was a canvas item. Yeah. Hmm. I have no clue. Texture rect, maybe? Color rect? No. Container? Try texture rect, yeah. Is the visibility off or something in the canvas item there? This visibility section? Yeah, it's on. Hmm. Oh, huh. Interesting. Huh. Ah, interesting. Well, we should figure out how to, I guess, make it more coverage as you get colder, so it looks like it fills up the screen more. Not sure what these other ones do. It seems like we want to. I don't see any cracks either. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. The textures. Yeah, I feel like we're not using the right texture or something. Oh, the heck? Fast noise. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, interesting. Yeah. Yep. I totally understand. Sure. Yeah. Hmm. So just increase the coverage, right? Yeah, that's all we need to do. Cool. Yeah, start at 0 and then it's a little square. All right. So yeah, let's get a script on here. There should already be a script. All right. Uh, or no, well, we don't need a script on this because we're going to add this as a. No, I don't know how to do this. We have this heat bar that is controlling the numbers. So I guess we add this control to like as a child of the heat bar, and then we can just reference it. Okay, sounds good. So I will. I guess we can keep this as its own node, and then just go to the heat bar scene. Oh, I don't have a heat bar scene. It's in the HUD. Excuse me. Okay. So we have the heat bar. Let's add. Oh, we need to save this still. Call it Blizzard effect. Or no, this is a freeze effect. Okay. And then in HUD we add the freeze effect. Let's put it right there. Yeah, I don't think this needs its own script, so let's just detach that. Okay. So here, yeah, thanks. Good call. Freeze effect. Okay, now we can just reference the freeze effect value, which is down coverage. Okay. We'll just say uh, freeze effect dot coverage. Yeah. I mean, this is inverse, but this is not how I need to alter the coverage. Hmm. What is the syntax? It's good call. I cannot do that apparently. There it goes. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Respect dot material dot header. Hmm. Doesn't have compelsion for that. Sure. Yeah. Please. Oh, interesting. Ah, shader. And I probably want to do the same for this, right? Or no, it's right here. Oh, okay. Coverage. And then we will do negative value. No, that starts at 100. You got 100 heat. And when it's 0, we want this to be 100. Yes. Right? I think so. Yeah. Okay. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. But I'm sure. Yeah. Sounds good. Go ahead. Sure. I do have GPT, my own for work now. I've been using it a lot actually. You know, oh, what do you use? Oh, yeah. Yeah. You can pick all through all these. Do you have one you prefer? Model? Okay. We'll just use GPT Mini here. Uh, how would I phrase this? Oh, you're driving. Yeah, sorry. There you go. Hmm. When value is at 100, we need it to this value to be 0, and vice versa. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so it's 100 minus value. Yeah, that's easy. All right. You can maybe increase the heat suckage. I don't know what to say. Heat loss. Yeah, increase the heat loss. Nice. We should see the effect easier then, hopefully. You'll have to hit start. I think. Here, no, doesn't look like it. Nothing is happening. Hmm. Yeah, we're missing something. Is the value doesn't look like it's being set properly? Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. It's always in the way somehow. Yeah, they don't even need it on the screen. Yeah, you missed it. Doesn't look like you can edit it. Huh? Do we need to pick the shader that we're using? And I'm just thinking like, what are there was 4 or 5 different materials, right, or something up there. Resources, yeah. There's the shader parameters, so maybe we need to pick. Oh no, it's just here, so it's top level. It's just coverage. Hmm. All right. Sure. Hit me. Yeah, good call. Right. Oh, okay. Thank you. And my logs are pretty loud right now. So yeah, it looks like it is increasing according to the logs, but nothing's showing up. Hmm. Hmm. That's true. Ah. Oh yeah. Hmm. Sure. Yeah, we can move the score down a little bit for now. Yeah, I need to wrap all these in the control, but I have not done that. Sure. Yeah. Just on a top level. Hmm. Cool. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Cool. All right. Gotcha. All right. That was a. That's. I would bet you money that's what the problem was. I can't click start though. Oh, okay. Something is. Yeah, I don't know what's. It's not working still. Huh. Why is it not letting me edit this? There we go. We want what 60. Wow. So two is actually the highest it goes. Interesting. Huh. So yeah, we'll need to adjust our code, I think. Hmm. I think it's a 0 to 2 actually. Yes. We'll say this code to use linear interpolation. Hmm. Hmm. That's a strange scale, 0 to 2. I'm like 0 to 1 makes sense to me, but not 0 to 2. Oh yeah, actually, you probably could, but if it works, it works. It works. Hmm. Hmm. See. Sure. Yeah. Ah. Oh. We want to pass. Yours. Yeah. But yes. Apparently, we still. Nope. Hmm. Will not block other controls. Yep, that's what we want. Yeah. My entire life. Yep. Okay. I'm used to it. Nothing. What's that? It did click through. Yeah, so that works. Make it work, man. Yep. Yeah, we nuked our logs with the GPT paste in. Yeah. Yeah, it looks correct. Hmm. Yeah, it's like it's hidden or something. Oh, good call. Hmm. But it's not changing. It's like not updating at all. Huh. Do we need to call an update function or something on the shader? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Hmm. Yeah. Huh. Very strange. Good. Uh, full freeze effect. Shader. Coverage. Seems like it's set one time maybe and then never again. Hmm. But I can probably affect it here. Yeah, so this works. Why is it not? Hmm. Hmm. Uh, I don't know how to write this. It's not increasing. It's supposed to increase. It's not working. Coverage parameter is we'll say the parameter is increasing, but visually nothing is happening. Yeah, we know that should be good. Yep. Huh. We have it as a shader material. Yep. Hmm. Ensure it's updated. Yeah. Reset and force material reapplication. Hmm. Yeah, we did this already. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. 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 See if this works first. Yeah. um. Nothing. Huh. Man. Hmm. 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 Still nothing. Hmm. Well, that's too bad. Right. We're missing something about the instance of it, maybe, or we made it unique, so that should fix all that. Sure, it's worth a try. Hmm. Nope. The head scratcher. Yeah, because here, are we? Can you look at the heap bar script? We changed the reference to the freeze effect, right? Yeah. What if we just can we just set it here? No, we set it already. It's like, hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Full coverage. It does. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it's worth a try. The Godot. Oh, sorry. Looks like I also cannot see it. Okay. I don't think so. I think I'm still here. Yep. Just nothing to say. Verified the shade logic is set up to respond to changes. Huh. Yeah, this. Hmm. Yeah. Is it because we're using capital C? Yeah. Edges are dynamically set by coverage. Yep. Naming things, man, is one of the hardest things programmers do. Hey, that is exactly what it was. Jeez. We made a huge mistake when we brought capital letters into programming. We just never should have even brought them in, right? It's like, yeah. I mean, it would make sense to be capitalized because that's what it is in the freaking in the UI. But oh well. Oh, I do love it. All right, that's a good place to stop, though. That was cool. Yeah, let's hook it up real fast and like actually watch it work. Uh, yeah, I didn't. It is super easy. I thought it would be tough, but it's not at all. I can show you it too. It is the Snow Blizzard. All it is this GPU particles 2D, and you give it a material just like we did here, and you can enable collision, a rigid collision, and then the safe area is just if you just put a light. It's called a light occluder. It automatically it collides with the particles if they have rigid collision turned on. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Uh, where were we with the code? Heat bar. So we want to set the lowercase c coverage and see what happens. Hey, that's cool. Hmm. Hmm. It's close. I'd want to do like a shade, like a general blue color shade, like over the whole screen that gets stronger. So it's not just. That's cool. That's cool. Awesome. Thank you for suggesting that. I never would have thought of that. Awesome. Yeah. See you next week, man. Thanks. Have a good week.